when you are launching a new product, what are the key KPIs that you would like to set as head of the business unit?
So first of all, I would like to give a small example or small detail about difference between a pharmaceutical, OTC, and wellness. Until unless we'll able to understand that, we will keep on doing wrong things when it comes to KPI or KRAs. So first thing I want to very clear what is pharma. Pharma means any medicine which require a prescription. There is no personal choice. There is no emotion. There is a suffering and there is a disease, and these are all complicated diseases and we require a doctor. Second is OTC, medicine without prescription, personal choice, emotion, own choice, small diseases. We believe we can do. So there is a consumer connect emotion that connects with the brand. And third is wellness. Wellness is nothing about medicine and all, where product is for healthy life, healthy lifestyle, and so and so forth. So we need to understand what is OTC. OTC is a category where the patient believe he can go directly and do something good without the help of a doctor. So these are those diseases or those sectors where he believe it is not that complicated, like cough and cold, digestive remedies, skin treatment, mineral vitamin supplementary, wound care, and all those things. So one need to first categorize what is OTC and what is not, what is FMCG and what is wellness and what is pharma. Now the question comes, what is the key KPI of launch a new product? So first of all, we need to very much clear and have an understanding which category we are launching the products. So is the category is growing? Is 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line, the category, what would be the size? Is the category is profitable enough where we should able to get some margin of profit out of it or not? And then we need to see what sort of brand we need to launch. And when we decided that the brand will be launched, then we have to see everything of it. If it is a OTC, there need to be a consumer study. There need to have a brand shape and size study, strategy and study. There need to be a price strategy and study. There need to be a profitability strategy and study. There need to be which SSC class we want to launch it, whether it is SSC A, B, what price bracket we want to launch, which size of customer we want to target, whether it is a female, whether it is some different religion, whether it is some different sector, whether it is for some different geography. Once we are clear with all those things, and then we have to see the competitive world competition, what competition is actually doing. And then when everything has been done, then we have to see the product should be launched. Before launching, we need to have a test marketing in two different markets, one which is very uh, clear and where the competition is actually sitting and deciding, and another market where there is no competition of as such. And then with the study and result of movement of brands and all, and then we have to decide which brand should be launched. Once it is launched, then there is a different cycle, what need to be done. There is a marketing way of doing it, then it's a distribution way of doing it. Marketing way, what should be the price point, where it will be launched. Distribution, what should be the KPI, like distribution, what number of retailer we need to cover up, what sort of media for demand generation we have to use. Is it we will go with doctors first, we will go with ATL activities, media first, whether we go to BTL activity or small, softer ATL activities like newspaper and so on and so forth. And then we have to launch the product. And we should have a clear demarcation about goals, what goals we are supposed to reach. There should not be any deviation from the goals, whether it is a market share gain. May it be like we will be losing, the break even point will be coming after 3 years, 4 years, but the first choice is market share. Then we have to be very clear what may come, we have to go for market share and all, and then we can over a period of time can do. So there are multiple things we need to do. Therefore I said, Ashish and Rajput sir, we have to have a very clear understanding. In case of a pharma, it's a different ball game. In case of an OTC, again different ball game. In case of a wellness, again different ball game. Because in OTC and pharma, we are directly connecting with consumers, end consumers. So emotional play a lot. Hence, everything should be lined up considering the emotion of the consumer, liking of the consumer, and then we have to launch the product.